How to turn off live in-app notifications on your TikTok account. Hello guys, how it's going? Today I will teach you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in our channel. So let's start. First you will just open your TikTok. Then when your TikTok is opening, guys, it will open automatically on home. You will just go to profile here down, then you will go to this three line at the top of the screen, then go to settings and privacy. Then on settings and privacy, go to notification, then go to in-app notification, and then you will find the last option, live. Now you have to turn off this option by clicking here and make it look like this. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. If you have any question, you can write it down in comments, and see you next video.